What's up, Traders Edge? Today we're updating you on what's happening with the VIX, the S&P, the Triple Q, and we're looking at the one stock that you need to be paying attention to right now in the market. So with that, let's dig in. All right, folks. So the S&P 500 is currently up about 16 points. We have swallowed up everything we gave away on tariffs. I mean, obviously, if you want to think about it, the news leaked out. We were above 6,100, so you could say maybe we have 50 more points here. But for all intents and purposes, tariffs have kind of disappeared. Qs maybe in about the same shape, maybe even slightly better, although they did not reach that new all-time high. One of the reasons why I'm bullish the market as a whole is that the S&P is reaching these highs really on the back of not Apple, right? Apple has been soft. Not NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA has been soft. It's been doing it on the backs of names like IBM and J&J and Procter and Gamble. A lot of the boring names. So that is one reason to be pretty bullish the market. And with that, you're getting a pretty dramatic fall in VIX. VIX is going to break 16 on Wednesday. Prior to the absolute low from Friday was just below 15. I think we will 100% get there post non-farm payrolls on Friday. I'm looking for the VIX to potentially threaten the lows from mid-January, which would be toward the low end of 14, maybe lower. Our VIX futures curve. All right. I want to kind of show you how we've moved. VIX futures never really bought that the tariffs were going to be real. So take a look. They were 17.35 at the end of the day on Monday with the VIX over 18.5. Here we are today, and VIX futures are only down 50 cents. The VIX is down over 2.5. That is something special. And points toward the fact that, VIX futures are pretty smart. These guys are typically a step ahead. And in this case, they kind of predicted that this was going to be short-lived. And in fact, they're still pricing in. VIX futures traders, volatility traders, look like they're pricing in some continued downside for the cash index. Why? And this leads us to the one stock you need to be paying attention to, and that is TLT. Bonds. Bonds are breaking out. After bottoming in the middle of January, getting a nice little lift, we're getting a big breakout in TLT, the long bond, on Wednesday. IEF, which is the medium-term bond, also having a really nice day. Bonds appear to have stabilized and have found a bid. If bonds have found a bid, then the market is going to go higher. The winner could be the RUT IWM out of that as well. I like long TLT. I think I like long IWM. I like both of these. IWM is a big winner if interest rates come down. Obviously, TLT is as well. So either of these, I think, look really strong. And those two being strong means the market as a whole is going to move higher. So I've taken off my bear hat. I've put on my bull hat. And I'm telling you, the change in trend on TLT is going to be put a bull win behind the S&P, the Dow, and the Q, but definitely IWM, and that is how I'm going to play it. All right, folks, if you haven't signed up for Alicia's small account double my money challenge, You got to do it today. She's starting trading it. So click this link in the email. If you're watching me on YouTube, please like, subscribe, leave a question or a comment. Or if you've got questions about a stock, ask away and I will get to it. All right, everybody. I am Mark Sebastian. I am your only option. Have a good one.